Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today we have the recipe to beat the heat with a delicious treat, that is chocolate and hazelnut ice cream. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. For the ingredients, please check the description section. First, in a mixing bowl, I'll add whipping cream. Then in goes condensed milk. I'll combine this with the help of a whisk. Then I'll be adding chocolate and hazelnut spread and mix it thoroughly. Then I'll pour it in an airtight container and freeze it overnight. The fat content in the ingredients used is enough for the creaminess of the ice cream. I'll just scoop it up and it is ready for serving. A drizzle of homemade chocolate sauce and hazelnut goes over the top to enhance the flavor.